Go leis go charge bhí some chud technical difficulties leis an chiad an seo níl sé forest nuair nach é an rud atá muid clachtaithe leis ar an drochar. Maidin mhaith seo stag city í atá aitheanta dúnda mar sainiúla ar coisir na bpoc an Traenáil é dheanú a bheith crack mhaith ar an éisperis. Tá cosmhór gradam buinte ige thar na blianta na Magaluf series 1996, Corfu 2018, Tory Island fihe dá fihe híon go leis go sin cod den rud é is mór an honor agus pleasure doing jog seal what I want to bhéin seo.
Gur maiget chonan.
Okay, tá cod ceisna agam an seo, so rahí much fríd na ceisna agus an é sin higlaat do chud ólais a rinch leis na éistre. Traenáil bhí cod request agan cod daine ag Traenáil stag dús amach an seo ar an bhíon seogan, so bhí cuirla dí. Ceist ever híon an diglaat senior stag a churát no
Armsa?
Yeah.
Stag captain. Sin a churn tíart híon. Stas an stag captain.
Stag
a captain in Wales.
Okay.
In ciad rud for stag a chonan. It is not a democracy. You're in charge.
Sin punch mai.
Remember that.
So stag captain. So aber gohfuil carja maitid hud ag Traenáil banishe. The fools. Yeah, idiot. Reference of
more for us.
Wedding crashers. Idiot, more for us. Good.
What an idiot. Oh dear.
Aber gohfuil carja maitid hud ag Traenáil a bhanis. Cinát a dosíonn tú leis an olbhain, cé có fada ón amacht?
Stoithe current a couple of cash there, just there híon really, agus an groom party, and the groomsmen. But really, must tusa an duine an tusa best man no groomsman no.
Aber gur groomsman atá anam. Aber nachhfuil sogan. Tá cud groomsman agus níl much cinse go sé.
Agus is tusa go cinse basically an duine atá ag agri an stag.
Sé.
You have the honor position in this life as being the person that this person considers the best crack, and crack is far.
No beidir an tíon duine atá le agrithe. Na leithe.
Another full of my to fish stag be is féidir le duine bhí a bheith agrithe má tá siad chomatigal agus a gat duine chomatad an crack, so féidir le duine ag an omland mí agrithe
in punch into my the gat duine chomatad an crack achar neoid na duine nachhfuil a hiúí much ad láfa ag an tamil. So aber go dosíonn tú so tá tú ag glóir leis an stag tá cinneal grúpa chur le híal agat do like trúr nó rudanteach an bhfuil tú ag gul ad leis an stag agus a chud cuarla a lorg do ahanrod an bhfuil tú ag géirí Cé tá tú ag géirí bhfuil tú ag géirí rud a bheith mar ina surprise dá?
Dífa siúd atá isteach ar Spotify. Tá Stag City an stag captain ag cruthaí a chion fear ledger an sin. Ní bléonn tú gafrad leis an stag a bhreithian. Curann tusa cupla céist ag an tús agus béidir na céist na céarna rihamar le bheith cinnte go mbeidh sé sásta leis an concept generalta. Two things you want to know. Does he just want to get drunk agus bheith ríthart fa chathair? Gan éon plan?
Gan éon éirí.
Gan éon éirí. Tá duine an agus buil á sin. Agus fásta tá duine an agus níl duine bhí sásta stag socu a agru. It's a pretty sad state of affairs, actually. They're more duine cos leis sin. Agus líon sé leis an groomsman a agru. No, an groom. Ach, is léir ún na duine a bhfuilm sa lá is it se duine nach nóim nó tá inta curma agus níl mór an níl mór an muinní nácu a chuid cairde. nó just níl duine bhí sásta go leor agru. So it's first of all, you should be privileged before that you be an sásta gur chur céisteart.
Agus an mó tosa an gurn tú céist an stag cé tatú a géirí. An é sin chun den a prírod rudí a dhéanam tú cé tatú a géirí hácht ar an stag.
Yes, just ligdú critníir sin cé tú a bheith cinnte cén cinneal stag ar bhfuil leis. Bhfuil leis stag agruhéile imachtaí nó just piss up. A bhfuil dá ar bhfuil leis stag congruilt an bhile nó fear ar fiol. Those are the two things. Those are really the two things you need to know, and that's it. Third one you need to know. Cé tú céiste chuir cé tá sé géirí go. Cé sé sin lista omláin. Cé sé sin an lista omláin a chur thugadsa de duine ar bhfuil leis sin choú a chóirt heigin stag. Agus an é sin deanta ní dhéann tú aon rud eile leis, ní dhéann tú fiú am duine bígal, ní dhéann tú cé teagal, ní luúin tú ifreachar bhí leis. So that's it. That's the only kind of sin an taon consultation atá go a bheith agat leis an stag an grum fa seo.
Tá sin go maiid.
Agus obaíonn tosa go congrach le dá groomsmen na daine a bheits ar an bhaine sleat, mar is OKJ díobhse do chara, so bhaid le do chara go mé sibse taint le cíile mar grúpa bug mar roinne sé sibse. So, well, níos muíon duine bhí rudí chodóin le seo, but is sin an rud a churann leis an bhaine spásta ar tána groomsmen. Bhí sé bug níos congraí mar gealar gapad. Gus churann sé leis an lá specialta.
Sin ionta maiid, sin ionta sama. So, ní churann tú an stag sa grúpa?
No way.
Yeah.
No way. Sin ní aithní sin, no way. No.
Mar is dóithe, te go manis níl tú a géirí brú an amachta chur ar an stag. Tá tú a géirí
No. Agus céileann cod den crack da níl clúg an stag, cod den crack fásta, and this is a bit psychotic, but maithíonn an stag fáice ar an imá.
Yeah, tháinig mé sin ar griban ar rubber.
Yeah, Jaren stag, I don't actually know what's going to happen. I don't know anything about it, and I don't even know if anybody's going, or they're all meeting up without me and having the crack, planning, and I'm just sort of left out, you know.
And múlha sa fíorthaíol leis an grúpa agrahan?
Oh no, well, grúpa agrahan and na groomsmen, kense, sin táhachta, yes.
Yeah.
Ach bhhain goal to go le dhéanamh omlan tú haon, but níos ben stag haon níos fearr má builm tú cupla uair. Ní minic, but few uair le had uair bhhain, just chun an initial agrahan a chur le chéile, agus an sin ag le bheith caint le chéile ar WhatsApp. But current sin go mór leis an ben stag haon níos fearr, mar ag brathir cé tá go agus cé tá agraí leat. Beidir go seanna, níl go ar na lads anyway. So bé tú buí lá scarbe, but tá sé níos current sé leis fásta man bhfuil aithne ó agad orthú. Agus codíonn sé leis an muína bheith agad bheith agad sa insan daine, cos tá tú agraí ócaid más ar mór agus tá písabog stras leis. So the accountability dí.
Sin é. Okay, chiad chéisteile. An grúpa, méid an grúpa. Ús féid an grúpa an fearr lása tú haon grúpa bog grúpa cardide tá inta cogarach le chéile ná grúpa Master máscaí ná go dé do bhharil sin.
No, tá mise den waril gur be an rud mhaith faoi stag ná rud difriúil is rud le. So hiag le go agus pinta cuan intimate drink a bheith agad le a chara íon lás a bhliain. Hiag le gáil síos go teach padar agus pinta Guinness a bheith agad le a grúpa bug amarbí. But seo déis le do chara na PC difriúile na srangna difriúile da téile chuir le chéile in íon grúpa bhain, íon session bhain de imachtaí agus be aithne níos fearr gach duine an grum in íon deir seachne sin. So bhaile that an méid is mó grúpaí difriúile chuir le chéile, teirleach colcathairtha nó grúpaí cardio éagsúile pretty mar sin. But tá ús fé jogam. Yeah, definitely.
Éist gach daine seo táhachta. Go dé do ús féid captain stag.
Fihe agus darlam gur sin baracht, but námlí ní heag le gáil thir sin. Námlí ní heag le gáil faoi sin. Fihe cuig.
An jocolate fihe cuig a dhéanamh.
Mas ga a ríist mas rud é gur ír an stag an grum seo nó an stag seo. Is féidir gcónaí sinna dhéanamh mar sin an tíon rud atá sé sin na gceannas na ibhreatha agus cé gáil. Well, basically cé gáil. Or cé aon an curú sin an rud. Agus cur a gcónaí, sílam a gcónaí cur sí mar chunta sa curú ag fés cúglads be gcónaí trúr nó ceapar natigh le gáil.
It's fair sin. Agus
people just dicks to their friends.
Agus aber gúil is smailm an saoil sin don srangana de fud a híal a hairint le chéile leis an picture galanta seo a cruthú leis an tapestry a cruthú. An tapestry.
Níl galore scanan janta de stags. Weddings and bachelor parties are all told from the woman's perspective, you know.
Tá cion mói janta faoi stag in Éireann. What do you?
Cén cion? No, I
think it's just Darbanium the stag. That's the intimate.
Agus an bhfuil an éha chógáant agus chó romantúil is atá meise.
Níl tá sé. Níl defra.
It's not. Tá sé defra.
Aber sa cas gúil na grúpa seo, aber gúil grúpa cathair duine ón club CLG, trúr ón obair, cuaigar carde ón scéal, cathair ón óscéal agus an sin séisiir colcathairtha. Nach míonn sin Jackar iad a hairint le chéile an bhfuil léideanna agat máidir le sin.
Just cé tú gcónaí bheith cruimeach dá scéal in kind of wildcards, maar is tussen cur gas, tá tussen go bheith cur an láistín an area, tá go bheith cur an bélan leir an nó cabbé bia, tussen agus cabbé amach a dhéanamh sin. Cabbé rud tá tussen ganna, be tussen cur de anim síos mar an agrihor, agus be tussen lochtach. So just remember, find out who the wildcards are and be a dictator.
And bhfuil úsféid dá méid wildcard a haiglad chuir an sag?
An drochir ní haiglad a rá le a chara. No, níl séis na gá. He's gonna... Ik is bugnach for me sin deportadú tonna stíl, like, you know.
Tá sé gá sclusí na háte.
Yeah, like, tá mis when you're Caroline the dochans in particular. But I'll tell you, after video, my suspicions about what might happen. But yes, so but actually a group of eggs, no boil action. So and do is far in a mask. Well, see in Chuman Sus the shin the doi my be goni dini maski ha go sus er an bus. But chilm sa gur barlam sa carna fa han tasja. Ta shinis fossa it's handy or ni kai to Neil dinner be locked and boss Neil gehi dinner be and boss agru family a bhíonn sé amach ní siire agus sábháin sé just tíon heasap sin a bhíon ag daoine ar an bus suas ag an stag agus landal an daoine ag cearc an sean nó wherever leathalta tá sé scrista cheanna fion ar an aine má anan tú coupleúir níos foiide agus just sin tú isteach sa char marthaí tú níos foiide níthe sin just a better all-round experience, I think. Agus bé córa leis sivilta agad in sa char ag correct níor chéile and then you just go tear up. Sin mhil an chomaid.
Sin cion conspadeach. Hí mar sé an bos ar an bhálach. Gach daine a gáil get a bug, tosíon an crack, gach daine gutse san áit cíarna a dig lá amacht leis sin grúpa bug híon.
Well, bhí me sé den mhil fa sin ribh ach tharla sé gur uairlein gur chruinní muid le chéile ag teach an stag. Bhí gach daine ag teach an stag leis an teirlach mú sa go bheith. Agus chuí muid ar garna agsúla. Agus bhí an crack go maiid mar rimmuid cupla jokes there, glac ag shepherd's rest. Bhí he bonus is a boher.
So
we let on.
Bhí na carnar caravan park gapu in Atina.
Yeah. Aye, so dirt me le gatan, gatan tarn se straach ag shepherd's rest and seo. Would you go an touring and would you stop in some campsite? Shepherd's rest is how do you compare the shepherd's rest it's
Neil is agam pub agus at Shan Ashanta suas this na sé balche na slave chest ernie atá inta mai do Charlie do mata do yoga an ye confirmation or mata do cheanwahar shock do agus Balín gachtain ag the shepherd's rest.
Agus bhí sin the grammar bhí min gaire ar a chara, but it was an cinneal min gaire tar question ar ein sé bronta na stabrecha nachrú sé ag dúla. Just like this broken-hearted smile. He's like, yeah, it's great. Then when he caught on, he's so relieved. Who much go bondoran sa Jerry nachol sin a bhhaid níos fearr.
Yeah.
I think he was marginally happier with bondoran Bhí sin a rí COVID. Bhí sin rí COVID, so bhí stag sa millan. But yeah, so bé daoine measc ar scarba ag deireadh le agus a dteach le seomraí sin go sé go mbeidh measc an bug de seomraí, but ag brathir an dóir tá daoine ag géirí really dhéanú iad féin, hín den a grúpaí really agraí iad féin, ar féin, but sin an taon rud seachas sin bé daoine measc anyway, so wouldn't worry about that there.
Okay.
Awkward.
Okay, and
because na cléthaí agus gahar a dhéanann tú le daoine, that'll bring them together anyway. So
okay, cavíad lá ceist gasta.
Ús féid inéan ga ihe. Ús féid thar saile trí ihe sin má waril.
An raha ar hiúil ihe bháin ná bhil sé rá jaar.
Sé dead agam ihe bháin agus bhí sé ar bhealach bháin bhí sé farrafa mar bhí sé chumaig go deoch leat ihe an bhí sé chumaig, but ag an am céarna bhí muid omlan scrista an lásin agus fásta sásta go leir just pilliú na bhaile. But yeah, bhí sin am bhaid. Bhí brathir an cinneal imachtaí ann tú. Rim muidine imacht mhór an chiad an lásin rah an coisir rim muid ceacair ag an umfan ar chiaulú chósta gidóir i naca le góla. Agus bhíon session sin master a díon ar chuid den lads bhí sé sin omlan scrista an lánaí sin curtha le chéile sin coisireach So tá ihe bháin ceart lóir, yeah, cinnte, but just beidir nach lóirí le sort of just sort of blow out a chuirte a chara.
Teagam. Agus agus ag glóirtear luí tú ag tefaríos seo ceann a bhí an daine ag glóirt faoi ar chárdúin imacht ag tefarí a chur ar seo a ríthe le bhil daine just ag géirí gáil ar an droilas a ríthe le go dé faoi daine nach álan is ceann Jackar le labh.
Well, le linn má bhí a gcónaí activity aigrithe a ríthe le de gath le agus seachas uairhhain agus ní raibh an stag sin chomhain. Ní raibh sé aigrithe ráhaid everyone's kind of lost as we get shit, to be honest. Agus nuair a bhí amachtaí bhí sé bhád níos fearr like. Because being lads éirithe rá just gur bhhaile gáil ar an rap, you know. But nuair nachfuil rudidir bí agat chun tú tarint ar hiúil an labba an lána é nó ar hiúil an bloody barstool. It's a wee bit depressing, isn't it? So agus thuaile mé fásta faoi an stag seo beidir gur thuil tosa faoi fásta in Glasgow ní raibh an sort of activities aigrithe agus ní raibh clúg duine bí go dé ceiriad na haite is fearr le gol in Glasgow agus bhí gapta de scapithe grúpi éagsúile ní raibh duine bhí le chéile ní raibh an crack like. So few pieces of research anna. Few must ready go bhfuil gur bhé an tíon imachta bhhaile anna na coisir. We better research on where's good places to go. Where do you go like?
Yeah.
Lost it. Ag an am cearna má tá an grúpa go mhaith most ready go bhfuil so go mé an cracking an grúpa sin. Agus agus go bhfuil golóir daoine an agus bla bla bla. Ní caithí tú barachtaí anna ag brachar an grúpa fásta. But you see an stag, most ready go an stag in like Marcania and Moilesh MFD. He doesn't like just sitting around farting about getting airlocked. You want to have a few activities yet.
Yeah, Brahir and stag station and
just Brahir and stag agus and aitin all to go. But chain to Glasgow Neil sagam king am acta diglari in Glasgow. You know. But
so
they go ni higglad.
Kajid da lusty da emakti aber gwil. Aber kajid da ruddy moi
Ní agroin hien stag nach ro koshfarige.
Aber sin a reach dan a dini sa cool. Aber sin a reach.
Sorry guys. Ní agroin stag koshfarige. Nach ro koshfarige. No way.
So tatu giri na sport eske a yanu canoeil, kaakail, surfail a lehéid.
Ceann tú cut so na duine atá ag cúisir like sin chuidir múna duine ar stag. Ceann siad chuidir múna nám idir alta nó ag fuailint agus an aitis fearr chun do cheann agus leanú na cosisiarige. Na réir den nearige glanann sin do ceann. An teir ón nearige glanann sin do ceann, but an rud is fearr na ag léimteas deas san eisce ar fiú leafar a cléig ar a chléig. Níos fearr rís imachta chinealigan agus piece of crack leis. So you've got your cure and you've got your activity all in one. Agus being an kosher agus an crack cosisiarige ag bála muai crackbar being she fienta being she wad níos fearr agus being a gcónaí rudí muaithe agrithe ag an baile híon san ihe like, you know, a rihan tairí, let's say. Being she, you know, if you choose a good popular town, it's good. So again, to higgle like bala master ha more the crack on agus to learn more imachtaí cosisiarige on like, you know, outdoor pursuits. General boy that's you know.
Agus Janha an activity an darna la kenol the dini spragu la hiri agus goal
like she didn't go on stag sort of format master has simply more in Anya agus veo gas stag agum sa rihan tauri like, you know, er me Baltanya could be me man for, you know, reasonably decent weather. agus being an crack you gan alta níos fear. Flagan tú ar an aine in you do chu dibre. Ram down tú ag do lostín, bí agus Jenner, piece of crack, no pressure. Everybody's just getting to know each other. Agus an lani is beidir cléthebog, simply. Lani sin imacht. Breakfast agus an imacht. Hig le cupla imacht the animus mealah. Part for Traenáil Cuí stag games, Mr. and Mrs. Quiz, Ruddy mar sin. Sin agus Sean coisir ceart like Sean coisir ceart. Agus cibé cléthe a dhéanann tú. Sin an rud, sin an ceremony, seo tú ag buint sort of sin tú ganny bugd a char but fast ag tash bunch goal I can why you're there and you enjoy the crack with him, but also you're mate so you're taking a piss at him too. Those sort of things.
Okay, smailm seo mar harúmiart stag a rú seo janta an riva. Seo rud a smuiti túar ná ar thul tú faoi ó líní eile.
Bhí mé an nach iad bláinis má dhear ar chléinis agus bhí mé an le burte agus bhí fis a gréthaí acu so dula mé ón duine is fearr, you know. Bhí lad on a bhí in a kinda real jokester, real kinda he was the wild card and he would have had all sorts of things happen. Agus bhí lad eile an agus bhí sin kinda an níos sismaidí but fast a crack mai so he was sure there to
They're in vert.
Then bhí an dearthar nach raibháin agus tá sin sin go mé sin sasta cibé rud a harla, you know.
So
Didn't do a bhíon le dearthar, de gra bhíon an dearthar sort of sasta iad dhéanana, but bhíon an carabéid ar exmuinní faoi níos mó, you know.
Sin go mai. So téan tú arás an imach tá gach daine go da ahan daine néte.
While at the dot imact gacht in your spragging near while either very scrista, so you don't want to be boring, but you don't want it to be too taxing. So something relaxing, refreshing. Cush farige, current stag shot cush farige, I'm telling you. Cush farige le boila master hamway. August everybody gets shared, gets changed quickly downstairs for the games. August to clear hamway agri helget, clear hamway cracker, August heglish and clear a warston Urachlig, no ga Urachlig. War Arclay bug na 3 Urachlig. It was really good crack, really funny. Really embarrassed the lad, but also he knew how much we loved him.
John Clea, Master and Mrs. Near a hurn to cash there. Could you dirt the van?
He don't go Shin and Clay as far. He like Clay, I know, August, but Shin and Clay as far. Shin and Clay as far.
Currently in cash door who could you dirt the van? Our Cadia Durton van goal anach as far do Curtail August 2 3 fragri hega August Kaishe.
No, actually no, ni hugging to few multiple choice though, just session and fragri Kierna a horch is a Durton and Kailin a Kailin a fiance and you normally another Yaman to that chain to Higgin fiance August Jan to can you aglavely and you record her answers and you play it back over a speaker or on your phone or whatever. So like if she can you why sort of more hodged in stag almost. And then you normally have a forfeit. He has to get so many points right, or if he gets so many wrong, because the grad tan rodden again, you know, the grad tan have again. So he it was on forfeit and heglis vein and rudder and wingin mar forfeit. The mochar via rehart van Chach nocht agus an sin near she sasta sinny so dirt wedge okay compromise okay to a rehart van Chach it off 4 richty agus kehi to go higgin Chach ela shaw vi so gan you grow handy on agus v can't remember what it was but he had to ask for something agus vision crack my Katie sort of the KTV can you session fast you have to know the limits and the boundaries and stuff like that and what's going to be okay and what's not, you know.
August could you Cadé mata tá seo a lig ar fad ionta. A cadé mata grúpa
Sounds so sarcastic.
No, tá mí land ar Europe, tá sinna ionta. Is bralaman agus heaglann sinna bheith heaglam an stag seo a hailú dar gara mói gaire Joachine.
Yes.
Fel sé sin ar bís.
Oh my God. He would love it. He would love it. Yes.
Na rudí seo fel sé sin ar muine mata. Ach,
Because in Rhodes far.
But tá grúpa do clean haigans agat.
Yeah.
And never Haitian.
Ebroy she, they'll love it too. Because, you know, I mean, Katie is stile draw the locked vechente, you know. Hartjach, you know, used to. Agus an ruddy yarn so fast the find a wild card. It's like a typical teaching technique. You find one of the wild cards that is half sensible that the other wild cards will look up to. It's a typical teaching technique. You say, hey, we've got a job for you. Do you want to help the teacher? Do you want to help the stag captain? Yeah. You know. So Janum Sage and Mar and Quizmaster no the shit's in a mon and Clay. It's like, you know, we need you to make a wee bit mental, but just don't get us landed in prison or anything like that, that sort of thing. But no, but that's I mean I'm getting back there. But no, but seriously, talking to Jess the Hara Moy Ella, Napol and Mar Grim, no Mar Nielsen Mar Grim's man no best man, August the shits in about in her incident, and they also they're probably much better crack than me or you. Do you know what I mean?
Conspiration.
They're going to be much better.
That's like our luck. It's like a Virginia in the Dinius far cracks.
You choose somebody that you know is better crack than you, funnier, and can think of a few really funny questions. You give them the scale, and you give them most of the questions, and you ask them to like make up some random questions that you didn't ask the woman, that you would never ask the woman, and you pretend to your mate that you asked her this, and he's already asked 20 questions. And he's like, fuck, she answered that there. Jesus. You know, so you can make it as bad as you want. And that's hilarious.
Single more.
Very much so.
Okay.
But yes.
A
Grinch cudged in a fragrectly bugger. Also, Narian to Clayton, put a few decorations up around the room about your mate.
So Shaw is Shamra Tas as Tas Austin K2
K2 checked. K2 Kesta her and Kabay H will too. K2 Kesta and Jiggling Shaw Yanni to Grat didn't dead on. For no Heglat Big Braher Cavil too. Rimished one would a Jack Charlie Kandar Garja, August Rimway Foster in Austin War. August Fished Sastas in Austin War. So it depends. But accommodation is a big boring subject because it's hard as fuck to get sorted behind stag do's.
Yeah. Sing John Ladrina. And August Cash come to the cash in journal. Ian Multi he and Iha Moore, Iha Hattern and we and just and Gurha Bela and Ariha and Atsinta no and Meha Burha for Robin Tatmershon.
Yes. I agree, Gafford. The Gafford, I agree, Helgut. Maar near while that's a flag, August 2 La Holta, no full introduction post, like, oh shit. The 5 will get in show. Okay. So, Big Gafford, more or less, I agree. So, Kehi 2. Kehi be a very ready, like Braher Cowell too. Matatu and H in the mesh, Mona one group of raw war. Say Matasheshrogov. Unlikely for a stag. But Matasheshrogov, no, you don't have to worry about that. 8, okay, but 10. Anything more than 6 big or Bio Gafford, I agree. August. So, while I may, Matatu Johnny a Rehenturi, August Matat Shach, Priwaja Hogan, take a barbecue, Yanni or Nanya, handy enough. No, be a soccer here like pizzas, no takeaway, no running shack ordy hagen out chilum. So casual. And why didn't he if I delivery or hot food counter actual? Because hey like just say I need X amount cooked and ready to leave at this time. Hey like all goes there, well you so codgin chin there to car get. I think buses are a total hindrance because you don't leave you any freedom. If you go on a cavalcade of 3 cars, you can go and tour about and hike mountains, no go hiking track, or as mainland. It just leaves you a bit of leeway. Agus Junior, ní bheith lón agra thugam, but bheith Junior agra thugam. Yeah. So either ag reached hig like steaks, nor an check that I hig an chat, no hig like agus beide ceart agri in Ostan. Agus sin an teamrad 3 meals in céad Junior and breakfast agus in Junior Jerna agus in Sinnar and Donach sayonara a hor. Yes.
Sin gehéintach stag sorry.
Okay guys.
Gur mágad as tá jam.
Couple of the leve argila here. Wailat gemeo. John Rogerna. Surprises. Intimacy bugger gune. So jokes bugger like wee random things, decorations, water pistols full of vodka, ready Russian, ready bugger. We jokes from Virginia. Strippers. Ní hilms to go then your big deal strippers. Ready. Ní vein hien. But another in my cara. Nah. The when Jenny joking a bugger for strippers agus Jamie Kundan lads text to her higgy the hashma for Samantha Northern check mission. Agus can't even pin stripper. Agus Herme den Jagen and Ihe Yarnach Herme den Jagen even we listen doorbell a ring out. Agus start my shit. She's here, lad. She's here. Agus also she had Doris agus being pin stripper on the wee pink ribbon there. And, he thought he was getting a stripper.
I can rear of Neil then you really gearation.
No, stripper.
Yeah.
No, you know. Like only if we lads examination, but near me real can Martian.
Yeah,
near Welland really.
Near currently near Suveness, like really.
No, she said I don't know. And I'm like, hold on if we stags and well lads on August being sitting do the strippers.
Toxic masculinity.
Who am I from lad? This year stag August show grammar. At least Pedro Girl this is lad I chill. This year fad in Glasgow August being groups sort of separated mar near more MacD on August best man. He session Gomor Sator stripper club. August and lad and what lad reaches an hospital August being banal travel. What happened to you? Why are you here? He says, I got kicked out of the strip club. And then he said, the bastards wouldn't even let me in. I never got a dance. Agus
ar a funte sin sin an méid bhuiin agus stag city gur mágad stag city as hacht ar an fod críli síl bhí bhain.
Okay. Slán.